Hello everybody, Max with A1 Website Pro, and today we're going to learn how to make QR codes a couple different ways. So I got my friend Jerry here. He wanted me to make him a video on how to create QR codes. So the very first thing that you need to do is you have to make sure that you've published your post, because the QR code is generated off this URL right here. So if that URL does not exist, then you can't really make a QR code and take anybody anywhere. So after you have your article published, you want to go to the page. Now, this is how you'll do it in Google Chrome. All you have to do is right-click, select Create QR Code for this page, and it'll generate a QR code. The next thing you could do is just click Download, and be sure you save it to a good folder. Right now, I'm just going to put it in my downloads. And the other thing that you can do, which I think would be very helpful, is just name it the same thing that you're naming the title. So instead of QR code healthy old guru, I'm going to put in there essential nutrients for healthy bodies. And then whenever I save that in my downloads folder, let me go ahead and bring my downloads folder up. I will know exactly, let me go my downloads here. I will know exactly where it's going, that essential nutrient for healthy bodies. And then I could scan this with my QR code. I could scan this QR code with my phone, and then that'll indeed take me to the spot. But there's another way to do it as well. So if you're in the Libre Office writer, like this right here, let me bring it over, and you want to put a QR code in an article, all you have to do is go grab that entire address, because it all operates off the URL. You could right-click, select Copy, and it makes it a little bit different style QR code. But all you have to do is go Insert, and then go down here to Object, OLE Object, and select QR and barcode, just like that. And basically what you want to do is paste in that URL. You want the error correction to be on high. If you wanted a margin or anything, you could do that. Make sure the type selected is actually QR code, because you can actually generate a barcode off this, but we would just want a QR code, and then select OK, and it generates a QR code that you can indeed, print this out and, post it places like bulletin boards, flyers, business cards, and whatnot. But that's all there is to it. So it all starts with publishing your article first. Then after you publish your article and you have the URL, you'll be able to bring it in and use it into your printed literature. Okay, this is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope this helps you out.